Today I am attempting to clean and organize my backyard. I run a home daycare and that's why we're seeing a lot of toys. You can tell I haven't cleaned up for a long time. I didn't want to start something I am not committed to finish, so I procrastinated. Anyway, here's what we're working with. I've already emptied the sandbox, washed the duff tray, and this kiddie pool. Just looking at these toys is overwhelming for me and I don't even know where to begin. I'm also actively watching children, so I'm going to multitask. I'm going to start on this side since no one is playing here. In case you're wondering, this is a laundry pedestal we no longer use in the house. I use it as a stand for the sandbox. I'll wash the water table next so I can use it to wash toys. We had so much fun with our construction theme play, but now it's time to put them away. Moving on, I'm washing this group of toys here. I think this one needs to go. This needs to be washed. Also this one and this too. I'm leaving this here to dry and move on to the next task. That whole process took me an hour and a half. Not much is done, but this side is looking so much better. I don't have the energy and motivation to go through this mess, so I'll deal with it tomorrow. Okay, this is what I'm going through today. The children has brought so much toys in here until there's no more room for them to come in and play. It has become a storage space for a while and now it's time to clean up. I'm checking for broken toys and anything that needs to go. Everything else will be washed and then sorted out later. I have been avoiding this part, but it's time to face the final boss. Wait, actually, let me wash this first, and it looks like our lemonade stand needs more attention at the moment. Obviously, I'm delaying having to clean the playhouse, but here it is. Let's just get on with it. I'll now start sorting out these toys that have been washed earlier. Playhouse is now clean. Toys have been sorted and oh, I almost forgot. I still have this to wash and sort out as well. After this bin is clean, the Legos will go back in it. Anything else like this hair and jewelry toys, water table toys, kitchen toys, and other random toys will go elsewhere. I'm letting go of these bowling toys as the children don't really play with them and are taking a lot of space. It looks more cluttered now than before I started cleaning, but the clean toys look more inviting to the children and they're happily playing. So I'm happy with that. It's Saturday. I just bought these storage bins, which I will use to organize the toys in the yard. I also got new sand for the sandbox. I've organized the toys here so I can start with the next task. My goal is to finish all the cleaning today, but as I'm going through all of these, I realize that this is going to take much longer. Just thinking about the amount of work I need to do here makes me want to call it a day. Thankfully, I'm recording this and that motivates me to continue because at the end of the day, I can watch my progress. Wait, is that a snack? By the way, I usually take the children to the park, so most of our outdoor play doesn't happen here in the backyard, especially during summer. These toys here have not been used for a long time, hence the dirt buildup. And since the children were not really using these toys on this side of the yard, I did not find the need to clean. If you have ADHD, you will understand. Just ain't nobody got time for that. And still, I should keep things organized. I've been out here for an hour and a half now, and I want to thank my cats for their moral support. Here's how much toys I've washed. I got a bag here half filled with clutter. I have one final box to sort out, but it'll wait for tomorrow as it's getting dark. Here's what we started with, and this is how it's looking. These rocks are my girls' treasures. I'll leave them here because they'll get upset if their treasures suddenly disappear. It's Sunday. I'm going through my final box of toys here. It won't take me long to do that, and then I will sort out these toys that were washed yesterday. And here they are. all of our toys now have new homes, and it's so much easier to find and see where everything is.